Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make Jiang Zhen yu tou. Yeah, I have one beautiful wild barramundi, wild siakap with me today. This fish is about, I think, maybe 2.5 kg. I requested the seller to cut it into half. Head and also tail, yeah? The other day, I already cooked the tail. Now, so I'm going to steam this later and then make the Jiang Zhen sauce. Very, very easy. And use this formula, it will be as good as the one you tasted at the restaurant. So let's take a look. Let's very quickly prep the fish first before we move on maybe. Give it a little bit of fine salt, a few pieces of ginger, done. So what do we need to make the Jiang Zhen sauce? I have 2 cloves of garlic here, few pieces of ginger, 1 teaspoon of taoju, 1 teaspoon of salted black bean, and then few pieces of big chili. And then I'm going to put in some tomato sauce, plum sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, and some salt. So first of all, we are going to chop all this up, yeah, blend it up. So let's get a chopper here. And then put all this ingredient into the chopper. Close the lid. I will decide whether I want to add some water or not shortly, yeah? Let's try it first. If it's too dry, it can't blend, then I will add in water. Okay, I'm going to add in some water here. It's a bit too dry. Now very easy. Right, blend it fine. Then you get this kind of consistency. I just put in the fish into my steamer. Now let's make the sauce. Give it a little bit of oil. Then we will put in the blended chili. You will get even better color if you will saute the tomato sauce first, yeah? But today, Appa lazy lah. So let's saute this slowly for a minute or two before we continue. This is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing. Let me tune down the fire. I'm going to give it a few tablespoons of tomato sauce. Agak lah. Then about 1 tablespoon of sour plum sauce if you have it. This one very hard to get it out. About 1 tablespoon of sour plum sauce, 2 rounds of light soy sauce, some fine sugar, some fine salt. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. A little bit dry. A little bit more oil here. Later we will add water, yeah? Not now. Shortly after this. Let me add some water. Not enough, add a bit more. Just bring this to a boil, then our sauce, our zhajiang sauce is ready, and it's not going to be spicy at all, yeah? more like sweet and savory and with a little bit of spiciness. If you prefer darker color, you can add some dark soy sauce. This is after about 11 minutes steaming the fish under 100 degrees Celsius. Wow, is it fully cooked? Yep, right. See how beautiful it is, and you're looking at some steamed fish water there. That is the source of fishiness. We're going to remove the steamed fish water. Yeah. So I have removed the fishy water. Yeah, the steamed fish water. That is always the source of fishiness. Then I'm going to bundle the fish with the very yummy sauce. A very yummy sauce. If you like my very simple video today, if you do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.